Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basis. And on today's episode of Lords Mobile, I'm gonna show you how to have live chat with the Lords Mobile team. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing first, open up your Lords Mobile game. And once you're inside the game, just head over to Lords Mobile settings. Now to access the Lords Mobile settings, tap on the arrow that is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From here you can see the Lords Mobile settings. Just go ahead and tap on the settings. And once you're inside settings, look for help. After you found help, just tap on it. And inside it, you can see an option to live chat. So just go ahead and tap on live chat. Now from the live chat menu, select the problem that you want to ask to the Lords Mobile team. Here I'm just gonna select login problem. And now you can see the live chat has started. And similar to the video, you can also start live chatting with Lords Mobile team. But if you are facing any confusion, feel free to leave your queries down in our comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.